Utot ko guys, alam nyo ba kung anong nangyari sa utot ko? Walang katapusang utot. Parang ganito yung nangyayari sa utot ko. At least she's helping, honey, not just like you talking.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys. Nag-sit up lang ako guys, hindi pa ako tapos. Pero Tommy, early in the morning, can you know that? So early in the morning, Tommy decided to self-clean this. Hala, is this how happen when you do self-clean?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I never see
Remember how
oven.
greasy it was?
It was greasy and stuff.
Now it's turn to ash.
It's still hot, hon.
Yeah, I can see it's so hot.
So don't, it's just
I still gotta clean the glass. There's a lot of...
yeah.
But see, even that turned to ash. See?
Yeah. Oh my god, don't touch anything. It's clean, guys. Before it was so dirty and... But you have to still get the sponge because it's turned out like ash.
I know, but I gotta spray this so we're gonna do the sponge again, so I'm gonna do that. See, there's an easy off under here.
What? It's right here.
Easy off?
SOS.
No, easy off.
What is easy off?
Oven cleaner.
Not find it. So guys, it's still hot. Oh my god, it's still hot. It's like, I think nag self-clean ito mga 3 hours. Nag 3 hours self-clean and then yun, linis-linis. Meron pa dito hindi nakukuha, oh. Parang splashes something. Yung iba hindi nakukuha, pero doon nalinis siya. It's not good to spray that in there. Easy off and what? Anyway guys, so yun, naglinis siya. I mean, inano niya, pirting, kanina bumangon ako guys. Bumangon ako dahil sabi ko may sunog. Naamoy ko talaga guys yung ano. No, he's gonna pour it. Like that. You really don't have to clean that, you know. So, yun guys, bumangon ako guys. Iyak ako ng iyak this morning din. Well, actually, mamaya na yung iyak. Bumangon ako, sabi ko, Han, may sunog. Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Nagtutoast ka ba or something? Kasi sobra talaga yung parang sunog ba? May sunog dito kasi matagal na pala niya ito. Early in the morning pala, inano niya. Self-clean. So, sunog na sunog siya. Sobrang init. Sabi ko, patay. So, yung amoy ng bahay is parang sunog. So, yung oven, sabi ko, oh my God. And then, pumunta ako sa bathroom, sumakit yung tiyan ko kasi yun parang yung na-inhale ko palagi ba. So, pumunta ako sa bathroom, sabi ko, parang sumakit yung tiyan ko, punong-puno ng hangin. Sus, utot ako guys, yung utot ko guys, alam nyo ba kung anong nangyari sa utot ko? Walang katapusang utot. Parang ganito yung nangyayari sa utot ko. Walang katapusan, continue. Continue siya, nagtataka ako. Sabi ko, hindi man ito amoy, pasensya na sa mga kumakain dyan. Sabi ko, hindi man ito amoy utot. Ang amoy sunog. Sabi ko, patay talaga, na-inhale ko talaga yung mga ano. Amoy sunog. So sabi ko, naluka na, and then burp ako ng burp din, amoy sunog. Sabi ko, ano, ito talagang si Tami. Kanina kasi sobra yung amoy guys, parang hindi ako makahinga sa ano, parang sa baho ng sunog na ano yung oven. So, natawa na lang si Tami dahil yung utot ko. Pero guys, iyak ko na iyak kasi nanonood ako ng kay Ivana Alawi na ano, yung nagpa-prank siya na pulubi, humingi ng pera. Doon ako naiyak talaga sa pinakalas, na iyak siya. Sabi ko, iyak na iyak. Iyak na iyak. I was crying watching the vlog of Ivana, Han.
Who?
Do you wanna know how's Ivana helping people?
You tell me.
Yeah, but do you wanna see who she is? Her picture?
No, I don't have a cigarette. You can show me after.
Oh no, I can show it. It's a picture. Pakita natin. Pakilala natin si Ivana Alawi kay Tami. A lot of guys fantasize her, but she really have a big heart, not just the beauty.
Even more reason to fantasize about her.
Not just the beauty, it's
I'm
her.
saying that's even more reason to fantasize about her because she's a good person.
Yeah.
Fantasizing somebody who's just attractive.
Well, she really is.
Person is not good.
She helps a lot of people. But Han, she's sexy. I'm not gonna show you the sexiest.
Why? You show me.
No, because she is like, maybe you're gonna fantasize her too. What? She is real beauty, even no makeup, nothing. Come here, where are you?
Oops.
No,
Okay, I will show you the sexy
yeah,
one.
he's very attractive. He's very attractive. He's very attractive.
Oh, look at this.
Why is she posing with no top on?
She's a model. She's a
Why
sexy.
with no top on?
Because that's who she is, Han. She's a model of different kind. That's why she become popular.
but-
Here, look at this.
Mhm. She's
But
not
look
pure
at-
Philippine.
She's half Filipino and half somewhere else in. But this is her video in YouTube that she pretend like, hold on, okay? Don't go yet. Look, she helping people and she pretend that she is homeless and asking for money. But you know, 2 days, honey, almost 10 million views. But she have already a lot of subscribers, millions, 12.
You said everybody gave her peso and she gave them back 1,000 pesos.
Yeah.
Okay? So she collected 100,000. She gave back what? A billion?
Han, she gave it back the money that they helped.
I know. She would have been better off giving all that money to the poor people.
Oh no.
My God, Han. At least she's helping, honey, not just like you talking.
I'm saying.
Nagalit ako, guys. Ipaglaban ko si Ivana. Okay, talk when after that because it's cold. Go and talk. We talk over here after you do it. Laban ko talaga si Ivana dong. Ayoko lagot-lagutin. Ayoko palaguta. Muingon pa jud kag dili pa kulang pa. Ano ka? Hello? Ivana, ilaway na yan. Nakipag-away sa asawa dahil pinagtanggol ko si Ivana. Kaloka itong si Tami. Hindi ko na-gets yung ano niya, pero may something siyang ipasabot. May something siyang ipaibot. Anyway. So yun guys, brewel daw ito. Bake pala. So yun guys, and mag-sit up lang ako guys, and then pagbalik ni Tami, parinig ko sa inyo kung anong sasabihin niya kasi talagang may sasabihin siya tungkol kay Ivana. Ipaglaban natin si Ivana guys, bahala na si Batman talaga, bahala asawa ko yan. Basta kay si Ivana, ipaglaban ko talaga. Sige, mag-exercise muna tayo, hintayin natin yung asawa natin. Tingnan natin anong sabihin niya kay Ivana. Nasiksihan yun ba? Nagfantasize yun, din nagpakaroon no na lang. No, come here. I don't even understand what you said.
Alright, here's what I say.
Come here, talk here. Right here with the camera. I wanna protect Ivana from you. Dito na si Tami guys. Nag-ano lang ako. Nagpaano sa tiyan. Nagpagamay ba? Kasi malaki na oh. Burp din ako ng burp. Parang hapdos ba yung burp ko? Hapdos sa maasim. Okay, so now what is Ivana should do? You're cold, honey.
It's not what she should do. I'm saying I understand what she did. Other people have done it. What she's doing is rewarding people for their generosity.
Yeah.
So you're generous and you give to the homeless, and she rewards people for their generosity. Okay. The problem is this.
What is the problem? Han, can you load that down? It's like...
No, it's recording. It has to keep going.
Yeah, I know, but load it down. The copyright, honey.
There's nothing to copyright here.
And?
So if you collect 1,000 for the poor and you give back 100,000 to the people who gave it.
Okay, wait. Why is it collecting 1,000 in the poor?
So people give her money and she gives that money back.
She give the money back.
To the people.
Okay.
She's collecting for poor people.
She's not collecting. She give it back.
Yeah, but she should give that money to the poor people. She should have that money collect for the people who need the money.
But the people it's poor that she try to help. The people that she go to and ask help, as she look at them, it's like vendor with like few vendor that it's like one table.
So the people who are giving her money are poor people?
Poor, it's more.
Okay.
But the people who give them is the one need money and trying to have the thing. And that's the thing. The poorer, the one who give. That's what we saw in the video. Like the people that trying to have money for the family.
It's always the people who have the least that give the most. That's the way.
That's
it works.
what I noticed.
It's always the way it works. That's why they have the least, because they're willing to help other people. And the people who have the most only give when they get write it off on taxes and get more for what they give.
They walk away from her when they see a dirty woman asking for money. They walk away. So okay, you don't say anything bad about her. She's,
I have no intention of saying anything bad about her.
She's helping a lot. She is not just doing that. She do a video, you know, but she help more. And in the end of it, honey, the old guy, sitting down in the corner, sealing one bucket of something, a peanut. I think it's a peanut, but she helped. She gave 20 pesos. He gave 20 pesos. I said, it's not enough for you. And I said, this is too big. 20 pesos is too big. Why you helping me? If I just need a little, And then he said, oh, did you eat something like that? Oh, I will give you soda. And then, can I call you tatay, like a father? Can I call you father? I said, yeah, you can call me father. And she started crying. And you know what happened?
So next week, Maryann's gonna go out dressed like a bum and sit on the corner.
No, but we don't have money
on
to
the
do
side
that.
of the road.
And don't mention that place. I don't mention any names, please. Listen to me. The thing is, because she's so attached with the old guy, telling story about her family, now she's gonna look for him and help him more.
Cool.
Oh, look, kitty. Han, why you leave your kids out there?
They don't want to come.
Ay, nako. Come in, kids! Come in, kids! Oh my god, it's cold, guys. It's freezing. What are you doing, monkey? Tingnan niyo tong monkey na to. I know places mo na. I know. Nakapagin na ito ba? Nakakapagin ka, monkey eh. Oh my god.
Yes, she's cute and embarrassed in a larger-than-life, colorful public setting. So, Caroline, listen, I wanted to... Girl, some young professional. Oh my god, she's bringing stage kissing in such Victorian tickets.
You're so cute, monkey.
Oh, great, now you're like my mom. Here, give me one hand.
I can do exercise. Let's go.
You're too crazy, takes two. You're all fast. Well, at least you missed it. Well, you know what else you missed?
Come on,
Andy. She was about to tell
Let me check you.
What?
Let me check you.
Just now in the hall, and the ice rink. She was trying to tell you all
I need to cut your nails,
But
ha?
I've been too preoccupied with
Okay.
work, like Sandra Bullock. So, who's this one?
Kailangan ko ikat ang monkey. Be careful because I see your splashes everywhere over there. Can I do that instead? And you do the oven?
Okay with me.
Okay.
Chemical. That's why I paper towel. Into the oven until we're pretty done.
You know why I said I will do this, guys, right?
Because she's cleaning that. Because you say, well, you don't know how. I know how.
No, because you splash the over here, the wall, it's so dirty. I go crazy when I look in your eyes. I go crazy. I'll see you again. I go crazy. Index, it's over there behind the other side, probably. Siya din guys sa ano, sa oven din siya. Sister oven cleaner. We have a lot of SOS downstairs.
I don't think so.
Yes, the one who's doing it, the one that's shelving.
Well, you just asked me, do we? And I don't think so. But if you knew, why you asked me?
I'm not asking you.
You said, do we have a lot of SOS downstairs?
I said we have. We don't say
Play
do
the tape back.
we have a lot of SOS downstairs.
Play it back.
We have a lot of SOS downstairs.
You get the camera out, play it back.
I never use Dewey.
Lay it back.
Yeah, there's a roll. And the one about this, the rock.
Look how nice.
Oh, it's nice and clean, huh? Looks brand new. No, that one is not even
Because
clean.
this is on the outside, so and it's spray there. I mean, it doesn't get that. It doesn't. You know, it's the door closes in here.
Yeah. It's unplugged, right? It's not on.
What's on?
Okay. This is before, guys. Madumi. Look, madumi. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya pagkatapos na. Look at, Han. Look at the burn part.
Organizations come right here from the United States of America and they
Yeah.
flow south.
It's itching.
In addition to that,
It
the
will
volume
itch,
that they're
right?
creating
Yeah.
is being generated.
Nasunog yung kamay ko sa chemical, guys. Kasi, hindi ako nag-gloves. So, yun. Nasunog siya. Yung kamay ko, makapal kasi yung kamay ko. Yung kubal ba, makapal siya katulad ng mukha ko. Kaya yun, hindi na anuhan yung kamay ko. Andito lang kasi sobrang soft yung skin dito. So, yan. Ito na siya, guys. Look. Silver na siya ulit. Pero hindi siya totally lalo na sa likuran. Malinis na siya kumpara Pero may mga kaunting spot na hindi siya na-isprihan ni Tami. So, sa ilalim. Hindi lahat. May mga lugar lang sa ilalim na hindi siya makuha. Kasi sobrang niya, yung parang sobrang tawag nun. Sobrang soft na parang yung dumi is parang butter na siya. Yung dumi. Yung nag-stick ka siya ng matagal, 'di ba? So, yun, para siyang butter. Pero yung sa likuran, hindi masyadong niya. Hindi masyado niyang nalinis. So, yun. Okay, it's 11 something na, guys. And, nag-edit pala ako, guys. So, kailangan ko lang i-continue yun. Tinulungan ko lang si Tami kasi, diba, makalat yun. Sabi niya, makalat daw ako. Mas makalat yun. Hey, you ready? Ay. Be careful, ha, with your hand. Marami pang chemical dun. Hello po, guys. Ibang araw na naman tayo, guys. So, hindi ko na-end yung vlog na, itong vlog na ito na, napanood ninyo. Hindi ko na-end. So, kasi napagod ako sa kakuskus ng oven that day. Napagod ako. And then, ang ginawa ko dahil nanonood ako kay Ivana that morning, And ang ginawa ko is nanonood na ako ng mga videos. Well, nanonood man ako ng videos ni Ivana, pero yung ibang video na hindi ko napanood, pinapanood ko. So kaya hindi ko talaga na ano guys, hindi ko na end yung vlog, hindi ko natapos. Nung araw talaga no, as in proud na proud ako kay Ivana that day. Din pinagmalaki mo sa asawa mo. So yung bukang bibig ko that day before kami natulog, Ivana. Baka yung asawa ko nag-research na kay Ivana din, hindi natin alam. So yan, Ivana yung bibig ko that day. So thank you guys, salamat sa panonood, and kita-kits tayo sa bukas, kita-kits tayo sa susunod na vlog. Bye, salamat sa panonood. Good morning and good night sa inyong lahat dyan. Bye guys!